You ever notice how everyone brags about Florida weather until June hits? Suddenly, your neighbor's lawn chair is 3 blocks away, and everyone's pretending they love the sound of generators. That's where new construction homes really earn their stripes. These things are built like tanks, concrete block, hurricane straps, impact glass. You could probably lean that palm tree on the side and it wouldn't care. Meanwhile, that 1987 resale down the street is over there flapping like a wet tarp, hoping its roof remembers how to hang on one more season. And let's talk insurance. New construction homes don't make your insurance agents faint when they run the quote. You'll actually be able to afford groceries and coverage. So yeah, Florida weather is unpredictable, but at least your house doesn't have to be. You can reach me in your bio. Feel free to call, text, or email me. I'll show you what's happening right now on the Treasure Coast.